appointed 2 by 2, and gave them strength to see it through. The field is full, the time is near. Go now with peace and not with fear. I go with you, you're not alone. I send you out, but lead you home. So speak my peace where pain